I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you, come rain or come shine. High as a mountain, deep as a river, come rain or come shine. I guess when you met me, it was just one of those things. But don't you ever bet me, 'cause I'm gonna be true if you let me. Gonna kiss you like nobody's kissed you, come rain or come shine. Happy together, unhappy together, and won't it be fine? Days may be cloudy or sunny, we're in or we're out of the money, but I'm with you always, with you night and day. Happy together, unhappy together, and won't it be fine? I guess when you met me, it was just one of those things. But don't you ever bet me, 'cause I'm gonna be true if you let me. I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you, come rain or come shine. Happy together, won't it be fine? They say the cloudy on sunny, we're in or we're out of the money, but I'm with you, baby, with you, rain or shine. I'm always with you, rain or shine. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone, oh baby. Since our friendship ceases from now on, and if you can't say anything really nice, then it's best not to talk at all. That's my advice. We're parting. You go your way, I'll go mine. It's best that we do. Here's a kiss. I hope that this brings lots of luck to you. Now it makes no difference how I carry on. So baby, please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Please don't talk about me. I said, you don't talk about me when I'm gone. When I'm gone. When I'm gone. 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 Pretty baby, if you can't say something, I said, if you can't say something really nice, then forget it. You'll regret it. Of all your ability will get you if you let it burn.